Okay, this is POV Visual. It says using a camera, take 6 pictures of ordinary objects. Your first set of pictures should be zoomed in on a part of the object so that the viewer can't tell what it is. The second set of pictures is the same object but in full perspective. My opinion, you'll have to do this one, or should do this one, probably at home because you have a lot more objects. But let's go and take a look. So, let's take a look at the template here. It says directions using your camera, take up a close-up picture of an object and a normal picture. To replace image, click on the image and select replace image. Very simple. So it says to replace image here, you just simply replace image and you upload from your computer. All right. And then you go to the normal view. Let's take a look. Here are my pictures. I decided to take a picture of my headset right here. So I took a picture, a normal picture, but then I did an incredible close-up picture so you couldn't really tell. Same thing with my pen. I took a picture of my pen and then a very close-up picture. And then my mug. Took a picture of my mug and then a close-up picture. All right? You can't do the same things. All right? If you're listening to this, I don't want you to do your headset. I don't want you to do your pen. I don't want you to do your cup. If you do that, you're not getting points for it. All right? You have to be creative and do your own work and your own pictures. You have these sets here and these sets down here for a total of 12 pictures. Okay? Close-up, normal, close-up, normal. Remember, make sure you save the pictures onto your computer. Simply click on the area you want to replace the image, upload from the computer. Then it asks, what do you want me to replace? And then you would put whatever it is, whatever picture it is in that section. And that's how you do this assignment.